What I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a couple of little like key fob finders. This is from the company VOCOlinc, and these are Bluetooth 5.0, and it works with Apple Find My Phone. So that's actually a good system to work with. The range on these is 200 feet, 60 meters. NFC tap for lost mode. Voice control with Siri. It's got a loud ring. They're water resistant, and they have a replaceable battery. And it's got, you can't really be tracking with these. So let's check these out. I'm curious. These are kind of like the Apple AirTags, but they seem to be a little different. Let's see. Okay, well, they look cool. There they are right there. It doesn't look like there's much with them. That's all that's in the box. Okay, so there you go on the box. And then here's the instructions. To power on, quick press for power on. Okay. There's that. There's that. Long press to power off. Okay, it's off. Okay, they're on. So now let's try to find them. Okay, to set these things up, you turn them on, and all it is, it's ready to go. Then you open the Find My app on my iPhone. I'm not going to show you the address and all that. You can name it, whatever. So I'm going to have this on a set of keys, and I'm going to have it named on a set of keys. It sets up. It was all very simple. And then when you want to find it, you hear that? Oops. It makes that noise. So it'll help you find your keys. Very handy little item. It's not got the features that an iPhone does where it picks up other things and all that, and it can find different types of items from other iPhones, but it does have a good little setup, and I think this is something that's very affordable that can work really well for, you know, just smaller items like keys or a backpack or something like that where you just want to locate it. Then you can hit directions, and then you can get directions to locate it and find it, and it uses the NFC, so it has an NFC sensing on it. Very handy little item. I think these things are great, and they're super affordable, and you get two, so a 2-pack that is very affordable. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got on the VOCOlinc tag. See y'all in the next video. Woo!